Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to send personalized connection requests on LinkedIn. This is a great way to make meaningful professional connections rather than just sending generic requests that often get ignored. First, open your browser and navigate to linkedin.com. Once you're on the homepage, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you're fully signed in before moving forward, as you'll need access to your full profile and network features. After you've logged in, direct your attention to the top navigation bar. Here you'll see several menu options, and you want to click on My Network. This section is where LinkedIn shows you suggested connections, pending invitations, and people you might want to connect with based on your industry or mutual connections. Now for this example, let's select a sample person from the suggestions to visit their profile. Click on their name or profile picture to open their full profile page. This gives you a chance to review their background, experience, and whether they're someone you genuinely want to add to your network. Once you're on their profile, look for the Connect button. It's usually located near the top of the profile, right under their name and headline. Go ahead and click on Connect. At this point, LinkedIn will typically give you the option to send the request immediately, but we're going to personalize it instead. After clicking Connect, you should see a small pop-up or dialog box appear. Look for the option that says Add Note and click on it. This is the key step that separates a thoughtful connection request from a generic one. Adding a note shows that you've actually looked at their profile and have a genuine reason for wanting to connect. Now type in a personalized message in the text field provided. Keep it brief but meaningful. You might mention a mutual connection, a shared interest, or why you'd like to connect professionally. Avoid overly formal language, just be genuine and respectful. This small effort can significantly increase the chances of your request being accepted. Once you've written your note and are satisfied with it, click the Send button. Your personalized connection request will now be delivered to that person, and they'll see both your profile and the message you included. And that's it. You've successfully sent a personalized connection request on LinkedIn, which is far more effective than the default method. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.